Welcome to another video. In this one, we'll show you the web survey star rating. So the way you find that, all the survey widgets you can find under the survey module here, which is right here. And then everything else is available over here. In this one, we're specifically going to focus on the star rating, which is all the way over here, like this. And we're going to show you how this one works. So let's drag it across, and here it is. A few things off the bat I want to tell you. You can give it a label. So for example, I can call this one account rating, like that. You can have minimum of whatever you want, I suppose. You can have 1 and then max 100, like that. You can have 10. You can have 50. It's up to you at the end of the day. We'll keep it simple here, which is 1 to 10. You can give it a default value. So for example, 5 is automatically selected. You can give it a prefix. So you can say low rev account, like that. And then you can do a postfix like high rev account, like that. So, and then you can obviously decide how the step is going to be. You can either give it a 1 step, so then now they can only choose 1, or you can give it a half step. So here they can even give you a half a step worth of rating if they see fit. So for us, we'll just keep it a 1. After that, you've got conditions, animation, and metadata, something you've had from day 1 in Titan Web, so you should be pretty familiar with that. If not, click on the eye icon here, and you will have your question answered. So the eye icon I'm referring to are over here. And if you are not sure, be sure to click on these, because we have shot separate videos for each one for you to look at. Alright, so back into Salesforce here. What am I going to do with that star rating? Well, I'm going to create an account, and I'm just going to simply push the value into this field here. So let me find that field. There it is. It's called survey response right over here. This is what I'm going to push the value to, and we're just simply going to create an account. That's all we're going to do. So let's go over here. Let's drag one field, which is going to be the input field, and that's going to be my account name, like that. And then all I'm going to do is get a submit button where we will configure our Salesforce. Now, if you've got a lot of fields and you want to recognize where this field is, you can always give it a metadata tag. In fact, I always recommend you give it a tag. So I will give this one a tag, account rating for push. Then I'll go over here, click on the icon, action, Salesforce action, configure action. See if we've got any existing actions here. We do not. And I'm going to go ahead and create new. So I click push, delete it, create new, choose account, and in the mapping I want to map account name to account name, and then finally my survey response field is going to be my star rating, which is this one here, the account rating for push. Remember the metadata tag. Once I've done that, click apply, close, create, apply, save, and we're ready to execute. So if I launch site, I'm going to give it a name, star rating account, and we'll give it a solid 8 here. Click create, and now this is going to create data to Salesforce. So if you go over to the integration log, my account is created, and we go into it. So there are a couple of things there. You can, let me just scroll down here so you can see this a little bit better. Alright, so a few things I'm going to outline for you right now. First of all, obviously, this was the account name that we created, and this was the survey response value that we just pushed in. So it was 8, and that was the account name. And that's all there is to it in terms of the configuration. Other than that, if you obviously want to focus on the styling side of things, with any element, you must be aware that we'll give you the styling option here. And here you can go ahead and style whatever really. So you can style the root, the label, the icon. You can give it a different color if you wish. So let's say I'll give you a red here. Now you can see it's red. From hover to selected, you can change all of those. Prefix, postfix, root, label, everything in there for you. So just like with anything, if you don't know where to style it, click on the element, and then straight away this is the styling icon that you need to style it. And that's all there is to it.